How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will do an ab workout for you guys. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. With my ab workouts, they're not very long. They're maybe 3 to 5 minutes. You can do this ab workout every single day. Because it's only 3 to 5 minutes, there's gonna be no rest period at all. So we're just gonna do the exercises in a row, no rest. So let's get started. First exercise that I'd love to do is gonna be a combo of leg raises and reverse extensions. And again, no rest periods. Okay, we're gonna go right into scissors. Okay, we're gonna go to flutter kicks. We're gonna go into leg swings now. Go one way and then go the other way. Okay, we're then gonna go into a reverse crunch, then an ab crunch. I'll show you how you do it. So just go like this, and then you crunch up. So reverse crunch, and then a crunch. Reverse crunch, then a crunch. So again, reverse crunch, and then a crunch. Reverse crunch, and then a crunch. So that is one of my workouts. I have lots of different workouts. And again, 3 minutes long. You can do this every single day. You only need to do it once. You don't have to do it 2-3 times a day. Once per day, and you can do it every single day if you want to. You will get abs doing this. A lot of times abs does come from the diet too, but you need to make sure that you guys are doing the workouts too. I think this is a great workout to do. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.